In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Gohighlevel login page. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can update the look of your login page without getting lost in the settings. Customizing this area is a great way to make your platform feel more branded and professional, especially if you want the login experience to match your company identity. First, go to Gohighlevel and log into your account. Once you're inside, the most important thing to check right away is that you are in agency view. If you're not in the correct view, some of the settings you need may not appear. So take a moment to confirm that before moving forward. After switching to agency view, stay on that main agency area and head to the settings section. This is where Gohighlevel stores the branding and administrative options that affect your overall account experience. Inside settings, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Company. This section contains the company level customization options, including the white label settings that control how your platform appears to users. Once you're in the company area, click on white label. This is the section where you can start making visual changes to your login page. One of the first things you'll want to do here is upload your company logo. Adding your logo helps create a cleaner branded experience and makes the login screen feel like an extension of your business rather than a generic platform page. After uploading the logo, the next thing to look for is the custom CSS area. This is where you can apply style changes to the login page design. CSS allows you to control visual details like colors, spacing, fonts, and other layout elements, depending on the code you plan to use. Once you find the custom CS box, paste your CSS into that field carefully. It's a good idea to double check the formatting before saving, because even a small mistake in the code can affect how the page displays. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. That's it. At this point, your custom login page settings should be applied. If you don't see the changes immediately, try refreshing the page or opening the login screen in a private browser window to make sure you're seeing the latest version. A quick final tip: keep your branding clean and consistent. Use a logo that looks good on web screens, and if you're using custom CSS, test it carefully so the login page stays easy to read and professional looking. And that's how to customize your Gohighlevel login page.